Good afternoon to my viewers and students. Let us solve some figure type sum. Okay. This is the figure given. In the given figure, area of enclosed between the two concentric circles is 770 centimeter square. If the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of the inner circle. This is the figure given. I have taken the question from the book Innovative Math Books for class 9. Figure sum. Today just I am concentrating on the figure type sums. The figure mentioned here, and area of the concentric area enclosed in between two concentric circles, that is 770 centimeter square. If the radius of the outer circle means outside circle means capital R given 21 centimeter. You have to find out inner radius. Okay, let us see how to solve. I am showing. See the question number 36. I have taken the question from the book Innovative Math Books, exercise 17. Area and perimeter of circular path. Area of the circle. See, area of the ring given 770 centimeter square. Outer radius given 21. Inner radius not given. Now, area of the ring formula is what? Area of the ring, that is pi r square minus r square. Just put here 770, putting 22 by 7. Capital R given 21, that means 21 whole square minus r square. Okay. Now, this 770 into 7 by 22 is equal to 21 whole square is how much? 441 minus r square. This will go by 11 to 11, 7 is 77 and 0. Again it will go by 2, means 35. 35 into 7 is equal to 441 minus r square. After that, r square bring this side, 441 minus 35 into 7, multiply. 245. Now minus it. After that you can get r 441 minus 245. 6, 96, and here 196. Okay, 196 root over. Then inner radius equal to 196 root over is how much? 14. What is the inner radius? 14 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 14 centimeter. This one is inner radius. Okay. Let us go next number. Let us go next question, that is question number 43. The figure is given like this. In an equilateral triangle, ABC is an equilateral triangle, just to see equilateral triangle of side 14 centimeter. Okay. And on the side BC, one semicircle completed. That will BC will be the diameter of the semicircle, and you have to find out. See, just to see, find the area of the shaded region, means area of the equilateral triangle plus area of semicircle. What is given in this figure? In an equilateral triangle ABC of side 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter side given. Side BC is the diameter of semicircular. That means on BC one semicircle completed, and you have to find out area of the shaded portion. Means area of shaded portion means area of equilateral triangle plus area semicircle. Let us see how to find out. I am showing. Okay, this is the question given from the book exercise Innovative Math Books. Just see. See, I have drawn one block diagram. ABC is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. On the side BC, one semicircle is completed. That means you have to find out area of this shaded portion. The total area of the semicircle plus area of the triangle. Okay, you have to find out this one. First one, diameter equal to how much? Diameter of the semicircle, that is 14 centimeter. Yes or no? The radius will be how much? Therefore, radius will be half of the diameter. radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, therefore area of equilateral triangle that is ABC, area of equilateral triangle ABC formula is what? Root 3 by 4 into side whole square. Side is how much? 14 whole square. That means root 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. It will go back to 7, again 2, 7, 7 49 root 3 centimeter square, area of the equilateral triangle. You can put the value of root 3 also, 1.732. 49 into 1.732, you will get the result something. Next, area of semicircle and area of semicircle. How to find area of semicircle? As you know, area of circle pi r square, this will half pi r square. That is coming 1 by 2, pi means 22 by 7. Radius, how much you got? 7 centimeter. That is 7 into 7. 1 7 cancel and 2 11. 11 7 is 77 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded portion will be how much? Area of shaded portion will be area of equilateral triangle, that is 49 root 3 plus area of semicircle, that is 77. You have to calculate of your own. I am leaving here. In this way, I have completed area of the shaded portion, area of equilateral triangle and area of semicircle. You have to put the value of root 3 value, that is 1.732, that is your final result. Okay, let us go next number. See, next question 46 number. It is a figure like this. ABCD is square of side 14 centimeter and two semicircles drawn on the side BC and on AD. Two semicircles drawn. I am just showing the question here. See, find the area and perimeter of the shaded region in the given figure. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, you have to find out area and perimeter of the shaded region. Means shaded, this one the shaded region. Okay, let us see. How to find out the area of the shaded portion? Means area of the square minus area of two semicircles. Okay, side given 14 centimeter, therefore diameter also 14 centimeter, diameter equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Therefore radius will be how much? Radius equal to half of the diameter, that is 7 centimeter. Therefore area of two semicircle, that is equal to area of circle, which is equal to pi r square. Two semicircle, it will give you area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius, how much you got? Radius equal to 7 centimeter you got. 7 into 7, because square given. 1 7 cancel, 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Area of two semicircle. Okay. Area of two semicircle, that is 154 centimeter square. Next, area of square and area of square. How to find out area of square? That is side whole square, 14 whole square, that is 196 centimeter square. Therefore area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion means area of square, that is 196 minus area of two semicircles, that is 154. Finally, how much you get? 6 minus 4, that is 2, 9 minus 5, that is 4, 42 centimeter square. Area of shaded portion. How to find out perimeter? Perimeter of the shaded portion means, just to see, perimeter of shaded portion means this length is 14, this length is 14, 14 plus 14, and this one is pi r, this also pi r. That's total 2 pi r plus 14 plus 14. Perimeter of the shaded portion will be 2 pi r plus 14 plus 14. 2 into pi means 22 by 7, radius is 7, this part, and 14 plus 14 28. This is coming how much? 7 should cancel. This is 44 plus 28. How much getting? 72 centimeters. In this way, this question also completed. There are the figure type sums. How to find out area and perimeter of the shaded portion. That's the question asking to find. Number 46, exercise 17. Few questions would have completed related area and circumference of a circle. Okay, for your coming exam. Thank you for today's class.